Aggregation methods. There are 6 aggregation methods that can be used in a LINQ query. These are average, count, LongCount, MaxBy, MinBy, and Sum. In the next videos I will explain these methods. But before that, let's understand what does aggregation mean. Aggregation is the process of combining multiple elements of a sequence into a single value, based on some calculation or operation. This can be useful when you need to compute statistics or perform other calculations on a sequence of data. For example, I have the following sequence. Sum method sums the numbers of this sequence and returns the following result. MaxBy returns the maximum value from the sequence. MinBy returns the minimum value from the sequence. And so on. I can calculate different values from this sequence using aggregation methods. In summary, we have a data source consisting of different elements. We set an aggregation method to calculate a specific value. As a result, we get a single value, which is the result of the aggregation operation. This is what does aggregation mean.